Hello friends, welcome back to Petals of Biology. Today we are going to discuss on fruits. Fruits are mainly classified into three different types. They are simple, aggregate and multiple fruits. Simple, aggregate and multiple fruits. Simple fruits develop from a single ovary of a single flower. Aggregate fruits develop from several carpels of a single flower. Aggregate fruit develops from several carpels of a single flower, and multiple fruits develop from an entire inflorescence. So that is the difference between simple, aggregate and multiple fruits. Again, simple fruits can be classified into two different types. They are dry fruits and fleshy fruits. As you all know, the fruit wall, the pericarp is having three layers, that is epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. So the pericarp will be dry in the case of dry fruits, and the pericarp will be fleshy and fibrous in the case of fleshy fruits. So dry fruits can be again classified into dry dehiscent fruits, schizocarpic fruits and dry indehiscent fruits. Dehiscent fruits are the fruits dehisce automatically when it is mature and it releases the seeds automatically. Schizocarpic fruits split into indehiscent single-seeded units, single-seeded compartments. Indehiscent fruits do not discharge or dehisce the seeds. So that is the difference between dry dehiscent, schizocarpic and indehiscent fruits. Dry dehiscent fruits can be again classified into four main types. They are legume, follicule, siliqua and capsule. And schizocarpic fruit can be classified into lomentum, cremocarp, mericarp, regma and carcellus. Dry indehiscent fruit can be classified into achene, caryopsis, cypsella, nut, samara and utricle. Now comes the fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits are having a fleshy or fibrous pericarp. Example of fleshy fruits are drupe, berry, pome, peppo and hesperdium. Now let us see each one of the fruits in detail. Dry dehiscent fruits. Dry dehiscent fruits developed from monocarpellary pistils are of different types. The commonest ones are legume or pod, follicle, siliqua and capsule. Number 1. Legume or pod. It is a dry dehiscent fruit developed from monocarpellary superior and unilocular ovary with marginal placentation and many ovules. Ripe fruit has a row of seeds on the inner side of a ventral suture. It dehisces by dorsal and ventral longitudinal sutures, producing two valves. Often results in the explosive release of seeds or in the twisting of valves to dislodge the seeds. Example, pea pods. Follicle. It is a type of dry dehiscent fruit developed from monocarpellary superior and unilocular ovary with marginal placentation and many seeds. A ripe fruit dehisces by one suture, usually the ventral one. Example, Calotropis. Siliqua. It is a dry dehiscent fruit developed from bicarpellary syncarpus and superior ovary with parietal placentation. At maturity, the pericarp dehisces into two valves. Silica is the characteristic fruit of cruciferae. Capsule. A dry dehiscent fruit developed from polycarpellary syncarpus and superior ovary, which is multilocular with many seeds in each locule. Example, Catharanthus. Schizocarpic fruits. Schizocarpic fruits are intermediate between indehiscent and dehiscent type of dry fruits. It is formed from two or more one-seeded carpels which divide into single-seeded units at maturity. These single-seeded units include achenes, follicles, nutlets, samaras, mericarp, cremocarp, lomentum, cacerulus, etc. Mericarp. Mericarp is a single-seeded portion of a fruit which splits at maturity. It may be dehiscent or indehiscent. Cremocarp. Cremocarp is a type of bilocular two-seeded schizocarp developed from bicarpellary syncarpous inferior ovary. At maturity, it splits into two single-seeded and unilocular units. They are found among the members of Umbelliferae. Lomentum. Lomentum is an elongated dry schizocarp developing from monocarpellary superior ovary that has one or more seeds. At maturity, it develops transverse constrictions and finally splits through these constrictions to form one-seeded portions. Example, groundnut. Carcerulus. It is a dry schizocarp that develops from bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary. At maturity, it splits into several single-seeded segments. Carcerulus is characteristic of Lamiaceae. Dry indehiscent fruits. Dry indehiscent fruits are single-seeded fruits which do not burst or dehisce to expose or release seeds. Achene. This is a small, simple, single-seeded, unilocular, indehiscent dry fruit developed from monocarpellary superior ovary. Its pericarp is dry, membranous, and free from seed coat. Example, Mirabilis, 4 o'clock plant. Utricle. This is an indehiscent bladder-like dry fruit formed in some members of Amaranthaceae and Chenopodiaceae. Its pericarp is dry, membranous, and free from seed coat. Caryopsis. Caryopsis is an indehiscent, dry, single-seeded fruit developed from monocarpellary superior unilocular ovary. Its pericarp fuses with the seed coat. Usually, the grain is covered by persistent bract and bracteoles. Caryopsis is characteristic of family Graminae. Cypsella. It is a type of single-seeded, unilocular, indehiscent dry fruit. Its pericarp is separate from the seed coat. Cypsella is characteristic of Compositae family, where fruit is surrounded by hairs called pappus. Samara. It is a type of single-seeded, dry, indehiscent fruit with a membranous wing-like extension of the pericarp for the wind dispersal. It is simply a winged achene. Example, Pterocarpus. Nut. It is a hard, single-seeded, indehiscent fruit derived from the syncarpous ovary. During development, all seeds except one get aborted. Its pericarp is lignified and completely surrounded by a cupule. Example, cashew nut. Fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits are fruits with the succulent and fleshy pericarp. Drupe. Drupe is a mono or multilocular single-seeded indehiscent or fibrous fleshy fruit whose pericarp is well differentiated into thin epicarp, fleshy mesocarp and hard endocarp. Example, mango. Berry or bacca. It is a many-seeded indehiscent pulpy fruit developed from mono or polycarpellary superior or inferior ovary with axial or parietal placentation. Example, tomato. Pome. It is a highly specialized false fruit because its succulent edible part is developed not from the ovary but from the fleshy receptacle of a syncarpous inferior ovary. The receptacle encloses the true fruit in its core. The skin of the fruit is therefore not the epicarp and the fleshy portion is not the mesocarp. Pome is a typical fruit of Rosaceae. Apple is the best example. Peppo. It is a many-seeded, fleshy and large-sized fruit formed from an inferior syncarpous ovary. The outer portion of its epicarp forms leathery covering. Peppo is characteristic of Cucurbitaceae family. Hesperdium. It is a multi-seeded fleshy fruit formed from a multicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary with axial placentation. Its pericarp is differentiated into epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Epicarp is leathery with oil glands. Mesocarp is white and fibrous. Endocarp has numerous unicellular and fluid-filled trichomes which project into the locules and form characteristic segment. Endocarp is the edible part. Example, orange. Aggregate fruits. Aggregate fruit is a cluster fruit formed from an apocarpous pistil of a single flower, so it consists of a number of individual fruits. It may be an aggregate of achenes, berries, follicles or samaras. The term eterio is mostly used to designate an aggregate fruit. Example for aggregate fruits are the fruits of Polyalthia, Annona, Atrabotis, Michaelia champaga, etc. Multiple fruits. Multiple fruit is a fleshy compound fruit formed from an entire inflorescence. It is formed by the fusion of the ovaries and other floral parts of the entire flowers of an inflorescence. Sorosis, Syconus, etc. are the different types of multiple fruits. Sorosis is a composite fruit develops from a spike or spadix or catkin type of inflorescence. Example, jackfruit. Syconus is the multiple fruit that developed from a hypanthodium type of inflorescence. Example, ficus. Xenocarpium. It is a multiple fruit formed from the fusion of the ovaries and other floral parts and receptacle of many flowers of an inflorescence. It has a fleshy axis. Example, ananas.